बीच में मत
The producer, Mr. Bhushan Kumar, actors Dhanush and co-producer Shiv Charana. Dhanush, welcome. Absolute honor to have you. And the film has released today. I'm super duper excited. To start with you, how are you feeling being here in Goa? And we got to know that your character is very, very intense and very intense. So, how did you prepare?
We are all very excited. Since just yes, so mind is all over the place.
म्यूजिक की सीरीज और अभी मैंने पता लगाया है कि 1.5 लाख से ऊपर को एडवांस बुकिंग भी हो गई थी. सो हाउ इज एक्साइटमेंट गोइंग ऑन सर?